The KDG 220 is a highly preferred model in steel structures and workshops. The body is hydraulically raised and lowered, and the clamp is automatically pneumatic. A single roll stand is provided as standard with the machine. A single roll for the desired length is standard at the back of the machine. The hydromechanical clamping and unlocking and the machine on-off switch are located on the control panel. We have an LED light indicating the presence of electricity and a cooling pump fluid on-off button. Here, we have an LED light indicating the bandsaw is rotating, a knob for adjusting the bandsaw speed, an emergency stop, and body lowering and raising buttons. Additionally, there is a knob for adjusting the lowering speed. It has a hydromechanical band tensioning system and a band tensioning switch. Thanks to the dynamic clamp, it automatically clamps when the start is given and automatically opens when the cutting is finished. Our quick clamping lever, .600mm stop gauge, and stop are available. We have a body cover safety switch, main motor, bevel gear reducer, and hydraulic piston. We have upper and lower limit switches on the body. It opens in both directions. It can make cuts at a 60-degree angle to the front and a 45-degree angle to the back. For a 45-degree cut, we move the vise to the front. After cutting, our pneumatic vise automatically interlocks and automatically clamps again when you start the next cut.